Well, hi guys, it's me, Alex from Dispatch Training Center, and of course, look at this. We're at Mid-America Show, and we ran into our student, Kelly. Kelly, tell us, why did you come to the show, and how did you end up being my student? Because that's what you do now. You're in my dispatch class.
Yep. Well, I heard about the expo from your class, actually. And so I just wanted to learn more about the industry and be able to immerse myself. And how I became your student is my husband had been driving for years, and he decided, he's like, let's buy a truck and start our own company.
Okay.
And he said, well, you can dispatch for me sometimes. And I said, well, how hard can it be, right? And so then we got into it, and there's a lot more to it than I thought. And so I was looking for resources, and I came across a lot of other training programs, but none of them seemed genuine and real. And so my husband one day sent me one of your TikToks.
Okay.
And he's like, you need to watch this lady on TikTok, you'll like her. And so I started watching your TikToks, and I saw the advertisement for your class, and I'm like, I have to take that class.
Okay.
So
how does it feel now to meet in person? Because, I am direct, in a class. I give a lot of homework. I am pushy. I want you to succeed.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Is this the same Alex in the class?
I think so. You're always sweet. I think you're sweet. You have to be direct, and I like that because I don't want all the fluff. I need to know the reality of the situation.
So let's talk about the class. Do you think you got enough information? Do you think you have enough explanation and real examples from real trucking? Not just to say, oh, that's what you're gonna do, that's what might happen, but do you feel like in the class we got lots and lots of things which gonna help you to succeed?
Oh yeah, tons of information. So much information. I'm still going to be processing over it for a while, but there's a lot of resources that you give us that we can keep learning and stuff like that too. So.
Also, I already seen that by completing the homework on the rate per mile, you send me your own load boards, and I see you even stated, well, I start improving that head. I start seeing how to connect. So do you think that finally you're going to make sure that the profits for your own company go up? I know market is tough, but still, when you know how to connect, when you know what's going to happen tomorrow, it actually helps you, right?
It's already started. I mean, after the first week or two of class, you can see the numbers on my deadhead and the overall rate per mile getting higher and higher as it's gone. And there's been some, the market's not great, but overall it's getting a lot better. And I have ratings on my spreadsheet of red and yellow and green, and it was all red before, and now it's green for the most part.
It's green for them, so that's good. So tell me, being a mom, and you just shared with me that you are a mom of 4 beautiful kids.
Yeah.
Being a full working mom, still being a dispatcher, and having kids, how can you do all this? I thought that I'm a superwoman. Well, I'm not. You are. So tell me, how can you put it together? Because probably you're still waiting for the time to quit your job, or maybe still keep doing all of this together. So is it challenging?
It's very challenging. It takes a lot of time. I don't sleep much, but you just make it work. You make things fit together. So right now I'm dispatching in the morning before I start my other job, and then I work 4 days a week, so I have off Mondays, which is the best day to have off anyway for pre-booking the rest of the week.
So start using the pre-booking. Does it help you now to understand that you need to know the timing, the transit, who is the shipper, who is the receiver? Because in one day you can pre-book, 2-3 loads, which your workflow is gonna be way easier. So do you utilize the pre-booking?
Oh yeah, I pre-book pretty much everything I can now. If we have to go visit family, we've ended up in some bad markets. But other than that, we're pre-booking ahead of time, and that helps a lot. So I can normally just, 2 mornings a week, I can normally get the whole week booked out.
So tell me challenges of booking your own husband, because it's a very challenging relationship there. So who is the boss now? Is Kelly the boss now? Oh,
it's give and take.
Oh, it's still Kelly.
It's give and take. I think it's give and take a lot, because when we started, he knew certain things, but he couldn't always, we would already be in this problem situation before he would tell me, he's like, why did you book this load? The transit is bad. And I'm like, what do you mean the transit's bad? Like, I don't know. It paid well.
Okay.
And so now I think he's trusting me more to book loads, and I'm able to book them without having to call him to ask me the details, because
10
I
times.
know what to
Are you
ask.
gonna make it? Are you not gonna make it?
Yeah.
Because now you know the hours of service. Now you know the transit. It's different than mileage. So I mean, all other things like commodities, weight.
Right,
So
the
I mean,
commodities,
from
everything.
beginning of your dispatch journey till now, what do you think? How much did you step up? So you were here. You would think that you're somewhere here already?
Probably, I would think
Probably,
so, yeah.
right? So I think another 3 months, 4, and you're gonna be a
Pro dispatcher.
not a desperate one, and that's why you guys come to dispatch training, because we are awesome. We give education and we build that small businesses, family businesses. And please do not hesitate. Learn dispatch today, not tomorrow, not yesterday. Sign up, become our students, and learn way, way more than in any other classes. Thank you, Kelly. Give me a hug. Thank you.